భారతదేశ ప్రజలమైన మేము భారతదేశాన్ని సర్వసత్తాక సామ్యవాద లౌకిక ప్రజాస్వామ్య గణతంత్ర రాజ్యముగా నిర్మించుకోవడానికి పౌరులందరికీ సాంఘిక ఆర్థిక రాజకీయ న్యాయాన్ని ఆలోచన భావ ప్రకటన విశ్వాసము ధర్మము ఆరాధనలో స్వేచ్ఛను అంతస్తులోను హోదాలోను అవకాశములలోను సమానత్వమును చేర్చుకుంటూ మరియు వారందరిలో వ్యక్తి గౌరవమును జాతైక్యతను మరియు అఖండతను తప్పక సంరక్షిస్తూ సౌభ్రాతృత్వాన్ని పెంపొందించుటకు సత్యనిష్టాపూర్వకముగా తీర్మానించుకొని 26 నవంబరు 1949న మన రాజ్యాంగ పరిషత్తులోను పరిగ్రహించి శాసనంగా రూపొందించుకున్న ఈ రాజ్యాంగాన్ని మేము సమర్థించుకుంటున్నాము.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Implied the complete removal of British rule. The Constitution of India declared India as sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. It affirmed justice for every Indian, liberty of thought and expression, equality and fraternity. The right way of celebrating Indian Constitution is by abiding by it. Thank you. From self-class. The Constitution is a framework document or a book of rules. The Constitution of India became effective on 26 January 1950. Present it has 448 articles with schedule after 104 amendments. It guides and makes the government system work smoothly. We are Ambedkar as the chairman of the drafting committee. The Indian Constitution influences the constitution of other countries. The Constitution implies to secure to all its citizens justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The Indian Constitution measures every citizen of India on the same scale. The Constitution has kept January as an independent body. The judicial as an independent body. The Constitution of India concerns it supreme which the Parliament cannot override. Thank you. The Constitution of India is a supreme law of the land. It was adopted on January 26, 1950. It outlines the framework of the Indian government. The Constitution consists of a preamble and several articles. It provides for a democratic and secular republic. The Constitution established the three branches of government: the executive, legislative, and judicial. The fundamental rights and duties are enshrined within it. It also declines the powers and responsibilities of each branch. The Constitution can be amended through a specific procedure. It is survived as a guiding document for a national governance and ensures the rights and freedoms of citizens. Waiting for date after almost 2 years, 11 months, 70 days. On the Republic Day, that is 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India was formally adopted in the Indian Union. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of Constitution. National Constitution Day schools, colleges, and various institutes to inculcate the values of the Constitution of Constitution of India based on the values of liberty, equality and fraternity. In fact, the Constitution of India is a pure amalgamation of various constitutions around the world such as French Constitution, American Constitution and Russian Constitution. Indian Constitution is one of the biggest constitutions in the world. Thank you.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14 January 1891 in Madhya Pradesh. He cleared matriculation from the Alfredstone High School in 1908. He studied economics from the Columbia University at New York. He awarded doctorate degree in economics by the University of Columbia on 8th June 1927. He was one of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14 January 1891 in Madhya Pradesh. He cleared matriculation from the Alfredstone High School in 1908. He studied economics from the Columbia University at New York. He awarded doctorate degree in economics by the University of Columbia on 8th June 1927. He was one of the caste discrimination and untouchability. He launched a newspaper, Mutnayaka, in 1920. He was made the chairman of Constitutional Drafting Committee and considered as the chief architect of Indian Constitution. He was appointed as the first Prime Minister of independent India.